Hey everyone, welcome to OutSTANning. My name is Shakira.
I'm Lagaya,
And my name is Sin.
and today we'll be watching Thunderous by the Stray Kids.
That's right.
Let's go.
Oh,
Cartoon.
Animation.
yeah, it's a cartoon. Oh,
Whoa.
Change span.
he's been always coming in strong. Yes,
People.
oh, baby.
Oh. Put your belly away.
Can't ever just be normal. You know what?
Oh, him back.
I'm so happy. We're complete.
Yes, man.
Ooh.
See, they had to wrap that around him for that one nipple.
That was a geek one. Oh, that's nice, Mr. Minho.
Yes. You know what, Felix? You're everything. You're giving.
Hey.
Oh,
He got red with the red outfit.
it's a little orange.
A little, yeah, it's a little orange. Let me see. How far are we in? 1 minute and 30 seconds in. I'm ready to run this out.
Oh, Felix, no. No. I don't like that one.
Why did they switch the hair up? We were loving the first hair.
Mm-mm.
This hair, we like this.
It keeps changing. What?
Yeah.
You see?
But Felix's hair.
Where'd the black sides come from? You know, and I'm distracted.
I'm distracted. How many hairstyles does Felix have? Count them.
All of them. Oh, here you go. Mm.
Not multiple lines. Y'all better respect him.
Yeah. It's time to shine.
Oh, what is that feather?
I would be a pretty girl.
Yes. He'd be cute. He got chubby cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Oh.
Bang, bang, boom. You know what? Felix, you're gonna have to play by the rules because you keep coming for me like that. You're not even on my bias list. It's like, that's a lie.
Everywhere around the world.
All right.
It's everywhere around the world.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a good day to be a storm. Yes. The stray children.
The stray children.
Children. What do you expect?
Right. You know it's gonna be great. Visuals great.
Yeah.
We'll be editing that every time they come through.
Quality.
Rap line heavy. Heavy. Change Ben came in first. After that, you knew it was over when he be rapping all fast.
Loud. Yes.
Yeah, he loud. I had to turn my little earbud down.
I love him. I promise he's my body. It don't really be seeming like it sometimes, but I promise he is.
Right.
He was a little short, so a little
She
low
probably should
man.
know his name.
Change button.
Yeah. That's what you said.
I've been saying his name this whole time.
Oh my gosh.
Period. She's been.
Period. I really like that. It's a good song. I like it. Very visually appeasing as well.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
It's that
What part of that? I thought we were getting a whole cartoon video for a second there.
You were scared. It's like,
I was
oh.
Ew, okay.
But I like to have a little story.
Right. But yeah, I thought that was a cool little thing in the beginning there, and then it turned into Mr. Changeman.
Mm-hmm.
I liked it.
Mm-hmm. It's always a
And
good
then
sign.
always, you know, Felix came through, giving us inches, giving us very much skunk.
Right. Oh yeah. Yeah, we can't ignore that.
Oh,
Well, some pieces right here. You know, I'm usually a fan for the black pieces, but it's a way that you got to do the black pieces. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you got to get like, you know.
It was giving like reverse key ring ding dong, I think.
No, that was Lucifer. I think.
Reverse Lucifer.
When
That's
it was
what it
blonde
was.
on the sides here, and he
Oh,
had a little bald.
Mm-hmm. That's what it's giving.
No,
And I didn't like it the first time, so
we didn't like it in 2000, whatever. So
whatever. 10, whatever it was.
yeah, you can't bring that back. Try to remix it, make it your own thing.
Hard. I don't know why it looked hard. Like a helmet, like a biking helmet.
Yo, she's roasting him. We had to do him like that.
I love Felix. Listen. Mike.
We all love pilots.
I do love him, I promise. But that hair was not his hair. I liked. He had the braids.
Yeah, that's cute. Mm-hmm.
Cute.
He had the little beanie with the bang. Mm-hmm.
Right. He had the bob.
Yeah, yeah. Why his hair? I swear, out of everybody, like nobody else's hair was changing 50 times.
Nobody.
and he had
Yeah.
big legs, and I was like,
Yeah.
Yeah, Ian had the same. He been having the same hair since last year.
I didn't have years in 2015. God no. I wouldn't even get up.
He changed his hair yet. The bitch is going to Felix.
Like, dang, can we focus on somebody else? Like,
He's great.
I really gave Bangchan the same hair color as his outfit. He just want to be a mono with the okay. Every time y'all do him with red hair, why? Why is it always in that color scheme? That little orangey red hair.
I like the orange.
The orange.
Well,
It was
it was nice.
a nice cut, G.
Yes, it was. Oh, he just. Oh,
I
I don't
forgot.
want to. Me.
Ooh.
Like Christopher. Yes. I like him.
Yes, handsome. The one nipple rule still going strong.
yeah,
With the
and the little,
Yeah. Christopher.
that.
what?
Yeah, it's cool. We can talk about them. We love them.
Was back. Better. He got dark hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
He still has a ponytail.
He got to.
It's
Got to see it through. Mm-hmm. And
it's good.
your boy got lines.
Huh?
Look at your dude got lines.
Go down. See, after that competition, people start seeing how valuable he is. Respect Min Ho.
It should have been
Respect him.
Minho already had the talent. Just keeping him in the trenches.
Mhm. I've been asking that though.
You really have.
Even when I heard who Stray Kids was, I was like, why this one didn't get a line?
I don't
Now
even
he
know
got
why
line.
they did that. What was the reason? I don't know.
What was the reason?
But now we got lines
With an S.
with an S. Camera time. Okay?
Okay.
I'm here for it. I like it. His hair was cute too.
It
It was
was.
it was orange, but it was blonde orange.
Yeah. Blonde orange.
Yeah. I liked it a lot. He just looks good. He looks good. Okay?
Listen here. That is not a lie.
He just does.
Respectfully. Open your eyes.
Look how you open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Oh my gosh. Wrong group.
Oh yeah.
Sungmin always coming through with the vocals.
Could never be caught slipping.
Never. One of the best K-pop vocalists at me. You won't. I know my ass.
Mm-hmm. You want to fight in the comments? You can go off. To the comments. You won't.
Yeah, it's just, I love them. It was a good song. I expected a good song.
Always.
What else, what else will we get from one of the best self-produced groups out here? Like,
self-produced. Like, what? Y'all young
They're
boys
just-
ain't ready. What?
I love them.
Mm-hmm. The best. For the hype.
Yes.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching that video. Leave us a comment down below telling us what you would like us to react to next or what kind of videos you would like to see.
And please follow us on our social media accounts. They're right down here, just in case you didn't see them. And you can see what we're up to next. And we also have some cool content over there.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This has been OutSTANning Reacts. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.